How far can the boundaries of art expand? Paint, canvas, clay, and marble? These are the materials of classical art. But what about living cells, bacteria, DNA sequences, and biological processes? Today, artists are using the smallest building blocks of nature to create a brand new branch of art, BioArt. In today's video, we will explore how BioArt was born, interesting artifacts at the intersection of science and art, and how this art might take shape in the future. Can living organisms be works of art? How can bioscience change the future of art and science? Let's get started. BioArt is an interdisciplinary art genre that emerged in the late 20th century and uses living organisms as artistic material. In the 1970s, artists began to work directly with biological materials. Joe Davis, one of the first biomaterialists, produced projects that incorporated genetic engineering into art. In the early 2000s, Eduardo Casey created a genetically fluorescent rabbit with his project, GFB Bunny, and revolutionized the world of bioscience. Today, artists create works with cellular structures, bacteria, and even genetic interventions using CRISPR technology. This art form has become a field where artists and scientists collaborate to push aesthetic and ethical boundaries. So, what is the connection between this art form and science? Biocreations include artifacts produced in scientific laboratories using genetic engineering and biotechnology techniques. Here are some striking examples. Bacteria art are paintings created using special bacteria in petri dishes. Living sculptures are sculptures and forms grown using cell cultures. DNA art are biological portraits created by visualizing genetic sequences. However, ethical debates come into play at this point. How right is it to manipulate living organisms for art? Where should the boundaries of bioart be drawn? Biocreations create great controversy in terms of ethics. Creating art through genetic engineering may mean interfering with nature. The use of living organisms as artistic tools may require new rules in terms of the ethics of science. While some artists argue that biocreation is a tool for exploring natural processes, some ethicists believe that it can harm human nature. But this art form is growing every day. In the future, BioArt may reach more radical dimensions. Self-repairing art. Genetically programmed organisms could become self-repairing works of art. Bioluminescent art. Plants and organisms that glow in the dark can be used as completely natural light sources. In bioarchitecture, buildings and organic structures growing from living cells can revolutionize architecture. BioArt seems to push the boundaries not only of art, but also of science, technology, and our understanding of nature. So, do you think art made with living organisms could be the future of art? When art and science come together, amazing things can happen. Does bioscience open a new door of creativity for humanity? Or does it create a danger that crosses ethical boundaries? What do you think about this? Share your views with us in the comments. Let's discover the art of the future together. See you in the next video.